guys, what's going on? So today is very exciting. Me and Milos are both going to be getting new cars. So now we're just going to go. He's got his Audi, whatever it is, A4 or something.
A4 S1 Special Edition.
Yeah, we're going to cruise up to the cars in that, pick them up, and then we'll show you what they are.
Trim.
Trim?
Yeah.
No.
Get him.
So this is Milos' new Beamer that we're now taking for a drive. He can tell you a little bit about it if you want.
Right. It's a 320D SE, 163 horsepower, but it's been remapped for fuel economy, but it feels like. It's got 200 horsepower, well, ish, 193. Very fast, very fun.
Yeah, it is very, very fast.
Very fast.
Can't really floor it, can we?
Well, no, we're stuck behind this. Move!
So I've decided to buy Milos' Astra. I told you it's nothing amazing. I said it wasn't going to be anything amazing. It's just like an Astra 1.4 SXI. It's pretty boring really, but I mean it'll do for a cheap winter car. But what's a bit more interesting is Astra's. Milos has bought a BMW 3 Series, 2 litre TDI or something. And it is fast, it's really good. I'll show you around the two cars now. You've seen Milos' Astra before. It's got the induction kit, it's got a sub. Other than that, it's pretty standard. Just a 1.4 SXI, nothing amazing. And this is Milos' 3 Series.
Hello, my 3 Series. Hey. You like it?
I like it a lot. I mean, what's the specs?
It's the SE, so it's nothing special on that, but it's fast. It's just fast, because it's been remapped and it's just wonderful. It handles so perfectly. I love it.
It's quite a bit better than the Astra, isn't it? Quite an upgrade.
Quite an upgrade. Well, not really. It's still the Audi.
Yeah.
I might be saying that soon. Message me if you're interested.
I'm not buying your Audi.
Why not?
Because I would support your Astra.
We've done 100 those there, the A12. Oh no, I meant 70, 70 obviously. We've done 100 in Mexico, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Mexico.
Yeah, in Mexico. Right, we're going to Mexico?
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
So we're now just going to take both of the cars for a little cruise to show you what they're like. So there we have it, guys. My new car is a Volkswagen Astra 1.4 SXI. It's got 90 horsepower. You've all seen it on the channel before, or if you've seen other videos, it's been on the channel before. We installed the induction kit, which we did quite badly. So I think I'm going to do it a little bit better. Add some nice, I think it's stainless pipes or something, and then his sub has been fitted. I did that as well, but I didn't do a video on it. That's wired a little dodgy too, because we wired it in as a back speaker rather than into the radio properly. So I'll probably replace the radio eventually and plug it in properly. Show you guys how to do all that and make videos on all that. Also, there's a few touch-up things that need doing on the car. Other than that, over the winter I don't want to do much to it, even though I do have some ideas of things I could do to it that would be quite entertaining. But for now, I'm just going to be aiming on getting the MX-5 completely ready to drive in the winter. I don't know, for the summer, completely ready to drive for the summer. And yeah, just completely get that perfect. And then, yeah, so hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more videos soon. Milos' BMW, he told you a bit about that. We went for a little cruise in it. I really like it. I am a little bit jealous because it is quite fast. and he's also got his Audi as well, which is nice. But yeah, I'm trying to keep up with him now, and he's going, really. Yeah, hopefully you should see a lot more stuff. Well, you should, if Milos does anything to his car or whatever, you'll see it on the channel, hopefully. I don't know what he wants to do or like when he's planning on doing anything. But yeah, if he's ever in a video, you'll see it. You'll see his Beamer or his Audi as well. They're both nice cars. So just in case any of you want to know anything about the Astra, it's pretty standard. It's got all the features on the steering wheel. It's a 2008 model, so it's got all the stuff on the radio like aux. It's got aircon. It's got all the nice features you'd expect from like a 2008 car. The speakers are decent. The seats are, there's no leather or anything. It's all quite a standard, typical car, really. It has got 16-inch alloys, I believe. That's about it, really. There's not really much more to say about the Astra. So I hope you liked this video, and you'll be seeing a bit more of this car and plenty more of the MX-5 coming soon. And I'll see you in the next video.